finals match number 2. Can I have everybody in the room make some noise for these 4 teams? The Clark division. The Blue Alliance won the first match. The Thompson division on red needs to win this match to force it to a third. Otherwise, Clark will be your Michiana champion. Clark takes the lead as we come to the end of the order.
Do you see the side? Do you see the side?
It's touching. There's a piece of tape on.
3, 2, 1.
And the Blue Alliance maintains the lead. Let's be right Captain Alliance, number 1, Raven Tech HD, 19047, as robots spring to life for driver control. They maintain that 40-point lead. Both of these alliances have had quite the journey to get to this point. Both alliances in their division defeated alliance number 3 of their division twice in match number 11 and again in a rematch in the finals to make it here where we are right now. Clark leads by 30 points, 254 for Blue, 231. Thompson catching up quickly. Fourth robots cycling as quickly as they can. Specimen now coming up for the blue, coming up for red. Both of these alliances following the same strategy. One sample drop, one specimen collected, keeping it dead even here as Thompson takes the lead. 301 to 306, it's back and forth, 5 points. With 1 minute remaining.
Careful on the next one.
Red Alliance with the specimen lead as it stands. Blue Alliance with a lead on the sample. Keeping these two neck and neck.